Hello everyone. Today's session is a very important session and we are going to learn how to apply for a rights issue offline. This video is mainly created for the people who wanted to apply for Suzlon Energies Limited rights issue. Those who had already purchased the RE shares between October 11th and 14th, they are supposed to apply for the rights equity shares through an offline application. The application can be downloaded from KF Fintech website. You can hit this URL and download the form. rights.kfintech.com/Suzlon/application.spx. Open up the form and fill up the details. Submit the form to the self-certified syndicate bank for blocking the amount. Watch the video carefully and proceed further.